Nightmare Man, out of all the entities inhabiting the Doctor Nowhere universe, this one touches the most primal human fear, sleep paralysis. Imagine waking up in total darkness, completely unable to move, while a distorted figure stands at the foot of your bed, staring directly into your soul. That is the exact horror I decided to bring into the physical world using clay. Starting this build was far more complicated than I anticipated. Unlike monster figures with sharp limbs or defined skeletal structures, Nightmare Man relies on uncanny, unnatural proportions. If the torso is even a millimeter too wide or the neck slightly off, it loses that disturbing, unsettling vibe. Building the wire armature took hours just to get that eerie, unnatural lean right. The hardest part of this entire sculpt was the face and skin texture. In analog horror, details are often hidden behind grainy VSCS noise, meaning I had to translate low-resolution digital dread into physical plasticine. Sculpting the hollow, dark eyes and that unsettling, static posture was an absolute nightmare. One wrong scratch with the sculpting tools, and the whole creepy expression was ruined. If you are enjoying this breakdown and love the Doctor Nowhere lore, please take a quick second to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Building these detailed analog horror entities takes a massive amount of time and clay, so your support truly keeps this nightmare factory running. Drop a comment below letting me know which creature I should sculpt next, the Boiled One, Locust, or Filth. After endless hours of refining the smallest details, smoothing out the dark tones, and setting the eerie backdrop, the transformation is complete. Nightmare Man is no longer just a digital ghost. He is standing right here in reality. Turn off your lights, put on your headphones, and take a look at the final result.